Enjoy Simple English 森崎ウィンです。毎週木曜日は2019年度に放送した Wisdom from the West をお送りします。人生の知恵や教訓をさりげなく教えてくれるイソップ寓話を集めました。今回は Bell in the Cat 猫に鈴をつけるです。では早速聞いてみましょう。
A long time ago, the mice gathered to hold a meeting. The leader said,
"We are here today to talk about our enemy, the cat. We must do something about it."
One mouse spoke up.
Yes, we live in fear day and night. There must be something we can do.
A small mouse said,
"But what can we do? We can't stop the cat. It's too big and too powerful."
Many mice agreed with this. They were very small and weak compared to the cat. The mice didn't have any weapons like the big sharp claws and teeth of the cat. Another mouse said,
"We can't fight against the cat. We know we will lose. So maybe we should keep living quietly."
The leader answered,
You're right. If we fight against the cat, we will lose. But I don't want to be afraid all the time. The problem is that we don't know if the cat is nearby.
Then the leader had an idea.
Everyone, I have a plan. But before I explain, I want to ask you one question. Why are we always afraid?
All the mice thought for a while. Then the small mouse answered,
"It's because we don't know if the cat will come and attack us. It moves so quickly and quietly."
Yes, that's right. Where is the cat? We always want to know.
The leader continued to speak excitedly.
If we know the cat is not nearby, we don't have to be so quiet and stay inside all the time. Then we can live free from fear.
All the mice agreed and moved their small heads up and down. One mouse asked,
"That sounds wonderful, but how can we know? The cat doesn't make a sound when it moves."
The leader answered in a strong voice.
It's very easy. We can put a bell around the cat's neck. Then the bell will ring when the cat moves. So we will know if it's coming near us.
The mice clapped their hands and cheered for their leader. The small mouse said,
"It is so simple. Why didn't we think of that before?"
Then an old mouse stood up and spoke quietly.
I think that our leader's plan is a very good one. But I have a question too. Who will put the bell on the cat?
All the mice suddenly became quiet. The idea was great, but no one wanted to put a bell on the cat. It is one thing to say that something should be done, but quite a different matter to do it.
今日も素敵な教訓いただきましたね。It is one thing to say that something should be done, but quite a different matter to do it. こうすべきだということと実際にやることは全く別という意味でございます。僕の個人的な受け取り方なんですけれども、もうこれはまあいいアイディアが出たとしてもそれが実際行動に移せるものでなかったら、それは本当にいいアイディアと言えるのかとか、なんかそういうことをこうちょっと考えさせられるような内容だなと思ってすごくためになりました。はい。それではまた明日。See you tomorrow!